name's Andy King, VP of Sales for Raymarine, and I'd like to introduce to you today Raymarine digital switching. So we have here 3 screens that are our GS165 screens, and you can see that they can be used as a chart plotter, as a radar, as a fish finder. We can connect to engines and show engine data, but we also have the ability to connect to tridentic NP bus digital switching. So we have a little box that we click on that switches on the switch panel. From there, we can then turn on the boat. We can swipe up and we get a different picture of a boat. So as an example, we have 3 very simple modes. One is for the boat to be docked, one is the boat to be at night anchor, and one is for the boat to be day steaming. So if the customer just needs to press the day steaming mode, the lights will come on for that. If we want to dock the boat, we press the docked button, and the boat will be set up for exactly the way they would like it to be configured. We swipe up again, we get a little picture of the boat. For instance, we can attach lights, we can control those lights. We can put the spotlight on and we see the light comes on. We even have the ability to have a little wireless set of switches that can be attached to the system. So there is no battery here, no cabling. It simplifies the installation on a boat. You press the button and the light comes on. You press the screen and the light goes off. But these switches, when installed properly, do work 100%. We'll swipe up again and we can see we can have modes for setting up lighting on a boat. We swipe up again, and as an example here, we've got an actuator that could be controlling a bathing platform, it could be controlling a door, hatches, and if we want to actually push the actuator out and open the bathing platform, we can do that. So we just press one button and the graphics will change on the screen as well. If we look again, we've got tank sensors here, we've got tank sensors on the boat. We can show how much fuel is on the boat, how much fresh water is on the boat. If we wish, we can control the bilges, we can pump out the bilge when it gets too full. The whole thing is programmable, and the heart of the system are these devices here. This is a 16-port MP bus NXT, we call it a CCM. Very, very simple to configure. We have 16 inputs or outputs. Each one is programmed. So if it's an input, it might be, for instance, the level of a tank. If it's an output, it might be going back to the bilge pump to switch the bilge on. And another example would be the light would be connected as an output, and the light switch would be the input. So you switch the light and the light will go on. We can have as many of these on the boat as you wish. They're all connected, they're all fully galvanized, fully waterproof, 16 different inputs in each one, and you program them all together, as many on a boat. If you have more than 3, you would add what's called the master control unit. And so 4 or more, we need 1 master control unit. That controls the whole system. The added benefit of the master control unit is you can then have the wireless switches, but you can also add a GSM SIM card, so that now you can control the boat from anywhere in the world. Using a standard phone, you can send a text message to the boat and ask the boat to switch the lights on, and then it will send a text message back saying lights are now on. A more practical example might be if you're in a hot climate, an hour before you get to the boat, you might want to switch on the air conditioning, so you get there, everything's nice and comfortable. The other benefit we have here of the system is we have power coming in at the side, all of the switches coming in here, and then standard NEMA 2000 interface that connects into the Raymarine network. So that will work standalone. You connect it via NEMA 2000 into the Raymarine network, and then everything is configurable from the Raymarine screen, so that it's very easy to use for the customer.